Hey British Columbia, it's Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC, working on a Willowbrook Chrysler 19611 Langley Bypass, Langley, BC. It's a monsoon today. It's going to ruin my hair, except I don't have any hair, so I'm not too concerned. But this is one nice truck. Just over 3,000 kilometers on it, fuel rims, aftermarket, mud terrain rubber, does have a tonneau cover on it, does have the rear power slider. Beautiful truck. Love the blue. Power boards, of course. It is a limited. Has all the features here, with the exception of the driver safety package, like heated seats, cooled seats, surround camera right there. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 4G Wi-Fi, cooled seats up front, I think I said, wireless charging, all the USB connectivity. Does have a sunroof. It is your Cummins diesel, 6.7 liter. Got heated seats in the back. All of the connectivity as well. Nice layout for the dash. Beautiful truck. Lots of factory warranty, 604-362-2922. We take trades any day of the week. I'll stand out here in the rain, sleet, and snow for you, British Columbia. Give me a call.